guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be removing the DC5 Recaros, obviously from the Integra, and I'm going to be giving it a good interior clean. So Ryan's away on a course today in Dublin, so I thought I would do it for him as he wanted to do it anyway. The car's up for MOT now on Thursday, so I thought while it's not being drove for a couple of days, I would get it done for him as he's so busy with work. And yeah, I'm sort of bored, so I'm just going to get started into the video and hope you enjoy. There's so much sun coming in the window, so if I had to turn around this way, it's a bit weird, but I just had to do it anyway because the sun's coming in and it's blinding me. So I'm doing this for Ryan because he is on a course today in Dublin, and he has started a new job and he's working a lot of hours and he hasn't the time to do the sort of things that he wants to do. So I thought I would be a good little wifey and go out and take out the seats for him. And I'm going to give it a good clean, and yeah, hopefully I'll be happy with how it ends up. So I'm just going to start into the video now and see how I got on today. This is obviously where the bolt is. The one at that side, and there's one at this side as well, and there's another two in the front. Okay, so I've just took the seats out. It's literally just one bolt at each corner, and that's it. It's a 14mm bolt. So I didn't realise that actually the driver's seat was clipped in. So I was just literally unclipping it from that side, and that was it. So the DC5 hasn't been cleaned in a little while, as you can see, but I'm going to clean it now. I found 25p. Oh, no, actually, I didn't. I found 45p. There's some money in there too. Payment. I just got the Recaros out, as you can see they're behind me, and yeah, quite simple. 4 bolts is all it took to get them out. They were 14mm bolts, and the impact gun had them out in about 2 minutes. The driver's seat actually was plugged in. I didn't realise they were, but it was a matter of just lifting it out and unclipping the wires. So I'm just going to clean the interior now, and then I'm going to clean the seats up as well. So I'm just going to start off in the interior now, and I'm going to start off doing the windows, and I'm going to use Crystal Glass Cleaner by Auto Finesse. Then I'm going to move on and do the plastics. I'm not sure what I'll use yet, but I'm sure I'll have something here that I can use. I'm literally sitting in the DC5 now with no seats, and it's really quite weird sitting in the car with no seats. So I can't actually remember if I like the Clean Freaks interior trim detailer, but I'm going to give it a go today and see. I think I do like it. It's been quite a while since I've used it, but I'm going to give it a go. It's done a good job of the dash so far, and the smell is amazing. I forgot how well it smelled. I really do love it. So I've just finished cleaning the DC5. I've just done the interior. I've done all the plastics, and obviously took the seats out so I could give the carpet a really good hoover. Yeah, I think it turned out okay. I think Ryan will be chuffed with that, especially it was free. I really love the carpet in the DC5. It's so easy to hoover, and the same with, I think it's the EP3. The carpet is similar and it's quite easy to hoover again. My EK Civic, it was like that really old carpet, but I think it came out a good job. I think Ryan will be happy enough with that. So just while I've got the seats out, I'm just going to show you a product which I was kindly sent. I was sent 3 air fresheners by Prestige Faladin suppliers, and this is in flavour cranberry. Now, I do really love this air freshener. Just while the seats are out, I'm going to do it because it really lasts a long time. Once I spray it, you will realise just how powerful it is. It lasts quite a long time. So I'm just going to spray it to show you. It really smells amazing. You really only need a little bit, but while the seat's out, I'm just going to give it a good spray, and you should really smell it. It's amazing. They sent me 3 full-size air fresheners, and they sent me
cranberry, lemon sherbet, and also cosmopolitan. I do love cosmopolitan.
So I was going to give the Recaros a little clean with some light, but it's so cold now, I can hardly feel my toes, and it took me a little while to clean DC5, and yeah, I think I'm just going to leave it. I'll do it probably another day. Ryan might want to give him a go, so if he wants to, he can go ahead with that, but it is so cold, I really can't feel my toes. It's been -6 here this week, so yeah. And as usual, I just want to thank you for watching. Hopefully in the next video, Ryan might let me take the DC5 out a drive. I really miss VTEC so much, and when I'm cleaning the DC5, it just really reminds me on my Civic and my Hondas I've had. I really do miss VTEC. So once the DC5 is MOT'd now this week, hopefully, Ryan will let me take it a drive, and I can maybe get a little bit of a VTEC. Since I've sold my Hondas, I have missed VTEC and I've missed Hondas so much. The Audi is a good car and it's a reliable car, but it's just not the same as having something that bit more fun to drive. So that is my plan for the next video, and I will take DC5 drive, or I might have to take the Jordan drive, depending on what happens at MOT. But yeah, that'll probably be my next video. If you enjoy this sort of thing, please make sure to subscribe, and please let me know in the comments if you thought it was worth my time and effort taking the seats out of not even my own car. But yeah, I think it turned out really well. Even with this big jumper on, I am freezing. So yeah, I really hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.